Hey y'all. So I'm in my friend's salon. Remember the other video? Yeah, we're back. And we are now doing a completely different hairstyle. Like, it's my birthday and I'm gonna do what I want. Where's the picture at, friend? Where's the picture at, friend? Where's the picture at? I'm gonna show you guys the picture. This is the photo. This is what we're gonna do. I like saw this on Pinterest. I was like, oh, this is gonna be so adorable. So I went and got this hair. It's called Pearlish from the local beauty supply store, and it was like $28. So let's try. I don't want you to see mine. It was like $28.99. So cost like $40 maybe. Over.
We got these 2 packs. I'm loving this curl so far. Oh wait, no, I need to. Okay. Here I am, guys.
Womp 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 womp. That's what you were giving.
This in a quick weave. We're gonna circle this up. Old school circle quick weave. Okay?
Yeah. How long you been doing this, friend?
Oh my gosh.
How long you been doing pixie cuts?
I think probably about 10 years now.
She has been doing pixie cuts for 10
years. Listen, that's seniority. Okay, that's 10,000 hours.
I'll link her Instagram.
Another part of your energy that you have to put into it for shampoo bottle.
CeraVe, they had this shampoo and conditioner. Totally forgot to bring that. I'll bring it next time. You can try that out.
Get a quick weave pixie. Oh,
We gonna put
are you okay?
champagne helps.
Yes, that part.
Okay, that totally works.
Because we always celebrate something.
I know.
Gemini season. Hey,
It's Gemini season.
Oh look, oh I had to feel myself. Girl, look, I used.
One of people's biggest problem is like not being able to trust the process. I do it every time I'm in her chair, y'all. I'm always like,
It's okay.
is it gonna come out great?
Yeah,
Oh God!
nervousness
It's like
comes
it always comes out so good. I feel like I'm just be nervous. It's always a new hairstyle.
It's different.
You put heat on this bitch.
Girl, and cause the day. Cause we about. Still got a few little pieces left before I'm on it. All right.
Yeah, he was like, okay. This ain't got shit to do with me. Good day. Oh my gosh, we have to turn the camera around for a selfie just to see what it. It's giving what it needs to give. I can't stand when she on the phone and she asks me to look at my thing and give a reaction.
You see the flip?
Oh, now you notice I saw the flip. I saw the
No,
flip.
I
You
heard
didn't
you say flip. I heard you say. I was just saying it. You go on my nerves. Be good, like with your hair. So something different. This is 35 is a milestone, so something new.
And then I get that, but that's what we got plants for and stuff. Open the windows so they can hear the birds.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, I always gonna trust the process. But sis. Oh my god, the flip is flipping. The flip is flipping. Oh girl, this is the summer look. This is the summer look. Wait till mommy sees me. Girl, I'm gonna be in Vegas. So excited. I'm gonna look so good.
We're in Sassy in Vegas.
Oh, this is my hair. This is the birthday hair. Shout out to my bestie. Like the best in the city. Doing pixie cuts, period. I don't have a lot of hair, but I have enough hair. And she molded all this down. This looks flat. Like this is giving me. This is giving everything. So, it's not goodbye. See you later. Thanks for watching.